Alerts are StorageGRID's main monitoring system introduced in the 11.4 software release. The Alerts system replaces the Alarm system, which is now considered legacy. Alerts provide an easy-to-use interface for detecting, evaluating, and resolving issues. Let's go to a StorageGRID system and have a walkthrough. This grid is triggering all sorts of alerts. You can see the alert icons displayed in the Health section of the dashboard: critical, major, and minor. Below it, there are also some quick links to reflect the alert counts. To get a detailed view of active alerts, you can click on Alerts and Current. This page displays a list of currently active alerts on the grid. To simplify the view, alerts of the same issue are grouped. For example, if you click on a group of alerts, the UI will expand to show each individual node triggering the alert. You can disable alert grouping by clicking on the checkbox at the top right. You can also sort the alerts based on severity, time, and node type. Clicking on an individual alert will give you a details pop-up. The goal of the alert system is to detect actionable problems, and on that note, every alert has a recommended action that guides you through resolving the problem. Aside from current alerts, you can also see a history of resolved alerts by clicking on Alerts and Resolved. On the Resolved Alerts page, like the Current Alerts page, each alert, when clicked, will provide a details pop-up, which now includes time triggered and time resolved. You also have advanced filtering options on this page on top of sorting. This filtering and sorting can help you correlate past and present events on your StorageGRID system. For example, if performance was impacted over the weekend, but no current alerts are present, the Resolved Alerts page can provide a log of alerts that may have triggered and resolved themselves. The third page after Current and Resolved is our Silences page, found under Alerts and Silences. Silences allow you to suppress alert notifications. When creating a silence, we can target a specific alert or alerts above a certain severity for a target node, site, or grid-wide. Silences are useful to reduce alert fatigue when you can predict alerts will trigger, such as during an IT maintenance window. Now let's talk about what conditions trigger alerts by viewing the Rules page. This page lists all the conditions StorageGRID will alert on. This page has a table of all of our pre-made alerts denoted by default in the right column. These rules can either be enabled or disabled. Although you're not allowed to edit the default rule's name, description, and recommended actions, you can edit the trigger conditions or create a new one. Alert rules are created using Prometheus expressions to query our StorageGRID metrics and are triggered when the expressions exceed a set threshold. Thresholds can be minor, major, or critical. There's also a field for duration, which specifies the amount of time a condition must continuously remain in effect before an alert is triggered. A frequent pain point when discussing alerts is alert fatigues or when alerts rapidly flap. This duration field helps reduce alert noise. Notice that default alert rules that have been edited are denoted by a default star. To restore default values, simply click the triple dots and restore default values. If you're an advanced user, you can create custom alerts that use our metrics database to cover unique corner cases. Our alerts are also extensible to other subsystems. Alert notifications can be sent via email, if you enabled email setup, or via SNMP, or even queried by our API. Alerts really help us understand the grid's overall health by telling us what is wrong and how to resolve issues, as well as how to correlate events together. Thanks for watching.